Okay, so I'm unboxing this beauty. I'm using one hand. And we've got the different scents back here. Left on Red, Caked Up, which I know smells delicious. Cuffing Season, I like that. Matcha Business, that's right. Matcha Business. Okay, so, and here you also have, excuse me, upside down. You have the same thing, you know, what the different candles are. Look how gorgeous this box is. Ooh, I'm saving this box. I'm gonna use it for like my rhinestones and my fandangles and stuff. Forever Mood. Go, Jackie. Hey, Jackie. Jackie. Okay, so it flips. Open to get lit. Oh, I like that. Cute. Look how beautiful. I love this box. Ooh, I'm excited. Matcha Business, Cuffing Season, Left on Red, and Caked Up. I'll pull out Caked Up so you can see. You see that? Super cute. And I'm keeping the jars as well. This box smells absolutely divine. Okay, so let me see. Sorry guys, I'm all over. I'm doing one hand man because I'm rushing to get other stuff done. Let me see what Matcha Business is all about. Oh, it smells like foresty. Like you're outdoors, but sweet outdoors. And Cuffing Season, let me see, because I like the sound of this one. Hey, Mr. Gray. Christian Gray, Cuffing Season. Yeah, that's what that's about. Left on Red, let's see. Almost like a lavender, vanilla type of smell. Delicious, all of them. Now it retails, now you know I am a Sephora girl because I get my points and I get my freebies. I believe I paid $50, something like that. I'm not good with the pricing. I don't pay too much attention. But I do know that, yeah, it was around that price. But you can check it out. And I think it's worth it doing it this way. The bigger ones are great as well, but I think you get more bang for your buck with these miniatures. So I'm happy that she came out with it. Peace and love.